We have Aditya Arora from Ahmedabad to talk about market levels and stocks to watch out for. Aditya, afternoon. How are you looking at the Nifty, Bank Nifty right now? And also, what are your favorite trading ideas?
Very good noon, Ajay ji. Thank you for having me on the show. So I think internationally there's risk of market environment. We saw almost 1-2% correction on NASDAQ and Dow Jones as well. And meanwhile, dollar is also strengthening, which is signaling little cautious outlook before the Fed meeting, which is scheduled on 20th of September. And post Fed, it would be a game changer because I'm expecting a steep correction in dollar index. Almost 5 point of dollar index correction can happen in next 1 quarter or so, starting from 20th September. So that will be a very big tailwind for emerging markets like India, and also for commodity stocks, and risk on market could play out. So post Fed, Nifty and Bank Nifty could be very bullish asset class and very good opportunity to invest. And one more thing, institutions are very bullish right now. The positions in the derivative market is pretty bullish. So overall environment is quite good right now. But before the event, there could be some volatility and correction. So my top picks are from insurance space and PSU banking space, which is a consumer facing sector which can do well in a bullish environment. So HDFC Life could be bought at 664, 630 should be the stop loss, and 730 to 750 should be the target. Second, Bank of Baroda, which could be bought at 218, 200 should be the stop loss, and 250 to 280 should be the target.
Excellent. Some stocks which need, if you can check the charts for us, PI Industries, that stock in intraday has recovered pretty smartly. Do you think that it's going towards 3,700, 3,800? 3545 was the low, and right now it is only around 3,600.
Absolutely. The chemical sector looks pretty good right now. Whether you look at market leader like SRF or Navin Fluorine, Deepak Nitride, all are forming very bullish patterns on the chart. Same is the pattern for PI Industries. So PI Industries could be bought at 3,594, and 3,500 should be the stop loss, and target should be 3,700 to 4,000.
Interesting. One more stock from my side, that's DB Corp. Print stocks have started moving Friday onward today to follow up buying coming in at 250. How does DB Corp look to you?
DB Corp also looks pretty good as the market structure is good. Mid caps and small caps are having a strong comeback post that 4% correction on the index. So DB Corp could be bought at 250, and 228 should be the stop loss, and target would be 270 to 300.
Good afternoon. This is Vinny joining in the conversation as well. Also, could you just look up the charts for something like a KIOCL? That's been buzzing in the trade in the last 4-5 sessions when you look at it as well. Today, also look at it at almost 20% there. What are the charts indicating for this one?
Hi Vinny, KIOCL is a pretty high beta counter. Even if you look at the last rally which happened in 2020, so stock almost ran from 47 to 314 level in 2 years. Disclaimer, we recommended the stock few days back, and right now the stock looks even bullish right now because metal sector has very good scope going forward as the dollar index corrects. So commodity stocks are going to do well, and the chart structure is also pretty good. So KIOCL can be bought at the current price of 314.60, although it's in buyer circuit. Stop loss should be 260, and target would be 400.
Also, just one more chart that I would want to know is also in terms of something like Dr. Lal Path Labs, that also has been buzzing in trade, and there's a lot of news flow coming in terms of around that online players taking price hikes, so that's keeping them a buzz as well. Whether these players, when you look at it, players. So what is the view on that one as well?
Dr. Lalpath has been seeing significant volume since last 3 days, suggesting that the counter is being accumulated by the strong hands. So Dr. Lalpath Lab could be bought at 2390 and 2300 should be the stop loss, and target should be 2550 to 2600.
Right. All right, Aditya, thank you very much for joining us on the show.